Hello student, how are you? I am Saurabh Dhaka. I teach geography in Christian Public School. In previous video, we were discussing about climate, drainage system of India, physiography of India, location of India. If you have any problem in this topic, you can call me at this number. I solve your R problem of geography. Okay student, and now today we were discussing about natural vegetation of India. Feature of climate and soil, we are dividing into 5 parts. First is tropical, evergreen, rainforest and semi-evergreen forest. Second is tropical deciduous forest, and third is tropical thorn forest. Fourth is mountain forest. Fifth is littoral and swamp forest. In previous video, we are discussing about first two. Can you remember it? First, we revision these two. Tropical evergreen forests are generally found in rainfall above than 200 centimeter and temperature is 22 degrees Celsius above than, and in India they are found in western slope of Western Ghat, Andaman Nicobar and Garo Khasi Jayanti hills in Meghalaya, eastern India. These trees are long than 60 meter and wide density rainforest is this. And next is tropical deciduous forest, which rainfall range is 70 to 200 centimeter per year. They are generally found in those regions where rainfall is 70 to 200 centimeter per year. This forest is generally found in east slope of Western Ghat and interior part of land. And now today we were discussing about tropical thorn forest. Our third type is tropical thorn forest. Tropical thorn forest is where their rainfall is below than 50 centimeter. Rainfall contain low than 50 centimeter. This area in mainly tree of these forest is babool, neem, amla, kher, palm, date. These are main tree. These are growing in where rainfall is below than 50 centimeter, and in this area we find variety of grasses. These forests are generally found in semi-arid area of Haryana, Punjab, UP, Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh. These forests are generally found in semi-arid area of Haryana, Punjab, UP, Rajasthan and MP. Now we were discussing about fourth type of forest, mountain forest. Mountain forest. Generally, when the height is increased and temperature is low, the mountain area decrease in temperature when increase altitude. According this, vegetation also change. वेजिटेशन में भी साथ के साथ चेंज होता है. माउंटेन फॉरेस्ट आर क्लासिफाइड इनटू टू टाइप, नॉर्थर्न माउंटेन एंड साउथर्न माउंटेन, एंड सेकंड इज साउथर्न माउंटेन. The Himalayan range show succession of vegetation from tropical to tundra, which is changed in with the altitude. Mountain vegetation, it is divided into two parts, northern and southern, and the Himalayan vegetation succession of vegetation from tropical to tundra which change in with the altitude. Deciduous forests are found in foothill of the Himalayas. It is succeeded by wet temperature type of forest between altitude and 1000 to 2000. It is succeeded by the wet temperature type of forest between altitude of 1000 to 2000 meter in the higher hills range of northern India. Wet temperature is generally found in height of 1000 meter to 2000 meter. This is only in West Bengal, उत्तरांचल. उत्तरांचल में इसी को उत्तराखंड भी बोलते हैं. In these mainly two type of vegetation found, oak and chestnut. These are found in 1000 meter to 2000 height and West Bengal and Uttarakhand, oak and chestnut. And third vegetation in the mountain vegetation is pine. These is generally found in 15,000 to 70,050 meter height, and in this region Deodar is also found. This is also coastal vegetation.
So
In 3,000 to 4,000 meter height, generally found in few vegetation like silver, firs, and juniper are main vegetation of this area. In this region, transhuman tribes are generally found in this area. This is Gujjar, Bakrwal, and Bhotia Gadis. Gujjar, Bakrwal, and Bhotia Gadis. These are major human tribes. These are found in 3,000 to 4,000 meter height, and these are vegetation of in this area. In the next type of, first is the north mountain region and south mountain region. We were discussing about the north mountain region, and now we were discussing about the south mountain region. In south mountain region, the southern mountain forest include the forest formed in three distinct areas: peninsular area, Western Ghat, Vindhyas, Nilgiri. The southern mountain area divided into three parts: Western Ghat, Vindhyas, and third is Nilgiri. Mainly southern mountain found in divided into three types: temperate in high region, subtropical in lower region. Mean temperate वेजिटेशन होगी वो हायर रीजन में होगी, एंड सब ट्रॉपिकल वेजिटेशन होगी वो लोअर रीजन में होगी। मेनली वेस्टर्न घाट कहाँ पे है? केरला, तमिलनाडु और कर्नाटका में। वेस्टर्न घाट कहाँ पे है? केरला, तमिलनाडु और कर्नाटका में। अब बात करते हैं हम, द टेम्परेट फॉरेस्ट आर कॉल्ड शैलो इन नीलगिरी। द टेम्परेट फॉरेस्ट आर कॉल्ड शैलोज इन नीलगिरी। Annamalai and Palani Hills. Annamalai and Palani Hills. And today we will cover our mountain vegetation. In next video we were discussing about littoral and swamp vegetation. Okay student, we cover our 4 type vegetation. In next video we were discussing about 5th type vegetation. If you have any problem then you ask me. Okay student, thank you.